Disclaimer: Isa po akong licensed electrician and electronic technician. Sa mga batang gustong mag-DIY, you make sure meron po kayong kasamang matatanda o isang expert technician. Okay, atin ang simulan. So una, check muna natin yung unit. So set natin to extend yung meter. Check natin si may resistance or continuity yung rice cooker. Okay, press ko lang yung spring sa loob, then press on. Walang reading. Again, wala pa rin. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to check is yung AC cord. I-check lang natin yung dulo ng AC cord. Dapat may resistance or continuity. Okay, as you can see, may reading. So, okay yung cord natin. Then, bubuksan natin yung rice cooker. Tapos niyan, ang next na natin i-check yung thermal fuse. Yan yung thermal fuse. So the same procedure, set your meter, either X10, X1 extend. Then i-connect lang natin yung test probe sa dalawang terminal ng thermal fuse. So dapat may reading. Okay, so yan, check na natin. As you can see, may reading. So meaning to say, okay yung thermal fuse natin. Ayun. So next thing to be checked is yung dalawang linya, yung wire na color red and color blue. Start with the red. Okay, may continuity. The other one is the blue one. Check natin. Okay din. Then after that one, check din natin yung heater o yung filament. Dapat may reading. Okay, meron. So okay yung heater. So by the way, ito yung contact point niya. So minsan walang reading dahil maaaring may kalawang. So we need to clean this one using the sandpaper. Okay? So nalinisan ko na ang contact point, ganun pa rin, walang reading. So proceed natin this one. So ito walang reading. Ito yung thermostat. Tatanggalin natin para i-check natin ulit wala ba talagang reading. Ayan, natanggal na. So, i-check natin. Ulitin natin. Again, X1 or X10. So, I prefer to extend. So, dapat may reading po. So, you can see, walang reading sa extend. So, set natin sa high resistance. Ganun pa rin, no? Walang reading. It's high resistance. Okay, so, nakabili na tayo ng bagong thermostat. Compare natin yung bago pati yung original. Ito yung original. Walang reading. Kahit sa X10 or higher resistance, set it to X1K. Titignan natin si may resistance sa X1K. Ganun pa rin. Walang reading. So, mean to say, open na to siya. So, okay. So, compare natin sa bago. Ito yung bago, no? Binili ko yan sa halagang 100 pesos. So set it to extend. Tignan natin si may resistance. Okay, so ayan, nakikita nyo, may reading, high resistance. Something nasa 100 ohms. So 100 ohms times 10, that is the total resistance. So high resistance yan siya. Okay. This time, i-install na natin yung bagong thermostat. So huwag nyo lang kalimutan kung saan yung tinanggal, doon nyo pa rin i-connect. Otherwise, no, magkaroon kayo ng problema sa circuit or sa connection. So, yung mga technique niyan, you can take pictures or sulat mo yung detail bago mo siya tatanggalin. The moment you're going to return, i-connect sa kanyang terminal, so the same pa rin yung connection. Okay, so cover na natin, then after covering, test natin ulit. Titignan natin si may resistance na or may continuity. Yan, naka-cover na. So ngayon, check natin. Connect natin yung AC cord. So, again, set your meter, X1 or X10. So, I prepared X10. Then, connect natin yung test probe sa plug. Then, pag connect ko pa lang test probe sa plug, may high resistance na. Press ko yung spring sa loob, low resistance, release, on, release. So, as you can see, pag connect pa lang yung test probe sa tester, may reading na. So, because that is the warm. On. Ayan, try natin, testing natin yung unit. Magluluto tayo ng gas, panin. Yun. Tapos na. So, lagay ko na, isalang ko na yung pan sa unit. Yan, i-connect na natin sa power source, sa outlet. Tignan natin si may power ba. Yan na yun, umilaw yung keep warm. Press on, please cook. So, hintayin lang natin. Yan, nag-keep warm na. Tingnan natin si naluto ba. Yun, nakikita nyo may usok. Yun. Good as new na yung rice cooker natin. Maayos na po.